Yeah, so once again for the video at home, when I read the question, it said F has a relative minimum, so I immediately remembered this note from my reference sheet. So if you don't have this flashcard, you need to have it. Okay, question? So then I look at the problem, it says F has a relative minimum at x equal -3. But I'm looking at the graph of F prime. So I immediately say F has a relative minimum when F changes from decrease to increase. So I want to look for a change in the y coordinates of F prime from negative y coordinates to positive y coordinates. They're asking if that happens at x equal -3. This means true, like T. This means false, like F. Is that right? I'm backwards, I don't want to get it wrong. We good? Yeah, show me, true or false. Number 1. So you just go like this or this. Checking everybody. Give yourself 3 points. The graph of F has a point of inflection at x equal -2. Need another flashcard. Right here. This flashcard here. So make that flashcard if you need to. The way I make the flashcard is I put on one side F has an inflection point. On the other side, I put the rest. Just giving everybody a chance to catch up on the note taking. It doesn't help you go faster than you can take notes. So. Okay, cool. So go back here. The graph of F has a point of inflection at x equal -2. So that's right here. So I'm looking here. F has a point of inflection when F changes like so. Which means F prime would have to change like this. So show me your vote. True or false? If you don't vote, I have a hard time knowing if you're really learning or not, so it does help if you vote. If you don't know, you just go like this. I think everybody should vote. Can't force you to vote, but if you don't vote, I can't help as much. False. The graph of F prime is definitely not changing from going up to going down at x equal -2. Then we want to talk more about that. Cool. Last one. The graph of F is concave down on this interval. You've got the flashcards you need. F is concave down whenever F prime is going down. So true or false? Show me. Give yourself 2 more. Good work. Anyone want to talk more about anything that's like a really good way to get better at this class is just pay attention. Your brain will tell you. It'll say things like, that doesn't make sense, or I don't know, you think of a question, whatever, just speak up, Brock, please.
It just looks like it's concave. concave up, like right when it changes, like at 1.5-ish. It looks like it's concave up, but it's not.
Oh,
Right there, it looks like it's concave up, but it's not, right?
4 points for Brock.
Oh, I just figured it out, never mind. And it's because I was thinking F prime, but it's for the graphic guy.
Perfect.
Okay, never mind.
No, you're good.
Never mind.
Hey, no, really, look. Here's why Brock gets a ticket. Key to this class is to do what you just did. Like, your brain was saying something's wrong, so you start talking about it, and then you yourself will realize what it is often, and then you fix that so that in the future test taking it doesn't become a problem. So no, it's always better to speak up. Even if your reaction is what your reaction was, which is like, oh no, I got it, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
Still better to speak up. Always better to speak up. Question. Perfect. Anybody else? Cool. You would know a different question you want to discuss that has not yet been videoed.